Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday and I hope y'all had a great week. We are at the weekend again. Well, today I'm going to be starting this beautiful little lady and we're going to call it Flower Girl. And we'll be starting right here on her outfit. The color is 3849. I got this morning from BiggestCraft. And here is the color. It's kind of a muted turquoise. So yeah, there was a big area there. So I said, why not? Let me pull you down. There we go. So, everybody ready for the weekend? I hope. Yeah, I hope today is much calmer than yesterday. Oh my goodness, I felt like all I did yesterday was run up and down the road at least 2-3 times. Yeah. Had to go into town and I bought, when I was at the thrift store, I saw a puzzle that I thought my daughter'd like. She's into puzzles these days. So I had to take that to her, talk to her for a while. Then I went to the post office to check on a package. So first they said it was out for delivery, and then later on I never got it, and I know that we'd gotten our mail delivery. And so I had to go back. Then I went to the dollar store and picked up a few things that I needed there. And I went to the thrift store. I found some pinking shears that I thought I might use. Never had pinking shears before, but I thought it might come in handy. And I got some fabric there for using for other projects. And where else did I go? Then I went to the grocery store and picked up a few things there. I got the stuff to make the nachos. I had to pick up hamburger for that and some extra stuff. And yeah, and then I came home and laid down and took a 3-hour nap. I was done. Just totally done. So yeah, I had my nachos for dinner and watched a little bit of Outlander and some YouTube and called it a day. Yeah, it was run here, run there, run here, run there. It was something else. So today we're not doing that. Just don't think I have the strength to go back up and down the road. I do have to go out though. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, now that I'm talking about it, I have to go and get the money and go pay the rent. Fun times. But that is the only thing I need to do in town. Oh, geez. Don't you just love it? Well, and the weather was just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Just gonna fold this right like so, just so I can hang on to it. Ouch. That is, if I can get this needle started. So, other than that, I worked a little bit on the sashiko and a little bit on the butterfly thing again. Has such a weird name, we should have called it something else. Yeah, because it has one too many words in that title. We'll just call it the butterfly thing. And that was about all that I worked on. In fact, when I sat down to do the sashiko and the other, I was so tired I couldn't even see straight, so I knew I'd screw something up. So, yeah, we didn't do that. So, not a clue what else I'll be doing today. my daughter, they're busy cleaning out a house. So, yeah. That's about all that they've got going this weekend, so I doubt that we'll be going anywhere. The kids do have, whoops, wrong hole, Monday off because of the major holiday, so I don't think they have any plans to go anywhere. Anybody else got any plans to go anywhere? Do anything fun and exciting? It was perfect weather yesterday. I mean, for walking around, there was a slight breeze, but it really wasn't horribly hot. I would say maybe 72-ish. So it's cooling down, but like I said, it'll always come back and be warm again 1 or 2 more times before winter comes in. So we can always expect that. It feels so huge. I've been working on 14 counts for months. I think the only 11 of the other 11 count that I've worked on is my hairpins. So I really need to get back to it, but I'm waiting for a little bit cooler weather. Yeah. It'll get plenty of time. I gotta fold this up, or else it's just in my way. Whoop, there goes one of my clips. So yeah, have no idea what I'm gonna work on for tomorrow for the Saturday. Just looking for another one. Oh, never mind. We're fine. Nope. Just wait. You know, I got no idea. I can hardly wait for a new month, you know? Like I said, I don't have many animal pictures. If I do, they are put away somewhere. So, not real clear on where they're at. So we'll make do. I think for the month of September, somebody made this suggestion. Thank you. Things that start with the letter S. So whatever you would like to work on that starts with the letter S will be perfectly acceptable, because I decided not to, what is that noise? Not to go with samplers. Yeah, that's just too much. Would like to find that one that I had, that sampler. Sure, it's a Joy Sunday. It's really big, but I have no idea what it was called. It's huge. And I'm not talking about the 12 Days of Christmas. It's about that size, though. So I have no idea where that got off to. So, yeah. Sure is a pretty color. I think I was expecting it to be a brighter color. I want to see what color yellow is. Oh, that doesn't mean a thing to me. 3752. Not sure, but that's that yellow right there. So maybe it'll be a different shade of turquoise. Just not real clear. But I decided to start down here. Was going to start up in her hair, but there wasn't enough going on. And where you see that red symbol right in here, that's 310 black. That wasn't happening either today. I need color. So this is what we're going with. So we'll start down here and see how much of this we can get going, because yeah, there's going to be confetti. Bigger areas also, but yeah, there's more confetti. I'd say it's close to 85% confetti. But we'll see. It kind of reminds me of the dragon, you know, my rainbow dragon. There's parts that they're great big, but yeah, no. There's a lot of confetti, especially in that dragon's face. I think I'm going to turn this around. My thimble is jumping around. I seem to be doing nothing but stitching backwards, and it's just... Seriously, you're going to have to go too. Yep. Everybody get out of my way. I know it's not a place where I usually start, but we're good. This will go better. I can stitch from right to left, but I can't stitch from left to right. I know that doesn't make sense, but my hand will not bend that way. So we'll see. We will see. So yeah, I'm anxious to get some colors into this and see what it all looks like. But it's going to take a moment. But that's okay too. It's not a biggie. Big, huge canvas. So do a little bit at a time. It's perfect lap size. Just perfect. It won't make you hot in the summer. I like those. Because some of them others I really want to stitch on, but yeah, it's just not happening for me. Even with the air conditioner blowing on me, it's still hot. Like to put some more time into the Tang Dynasty one. Let's see if we can make some more progress there. And my, of course, my hairpins. I can work on them all the time, but yeah. It's such soft material. It just clings to you in the summer, so not happening. We're going to have a heyday of big ones in the winter. The fall and winter. I actually only had my air conditioner on for about 5 hours yesterday instead of all day. I usually don't have to run it at night because it's been cooling off during the evening into the later evening in the 50s, so no need for the air conditioner. But that works for me too. If anybody has anything they'd like to share, you can send me a picture at my email, and that is in my description box below this video and all my videos. And I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I can. It does not have to be just cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you like to work on. So, yay. Oh, come on. Come on. We're almost there. Don't let me let go of this again. Oh, seriously. Okay. You're just going to be that way. I don't think I can turn that needle one more time. Just anchor that needle down. And lay that out flat. But that color goes here and here. It's kind of the darker parts of that little T-piece. So maybe the one down here is a little bit lighter shade. So we'll see. Let me pull you out. And I can show you that much better. So we got some of it done there. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.